I want to introduce you to Hyaluronic 8, a new generation serum which acts like a topical dermal filler to flash fill your skin. Featuring 8 multi-weighted ingredients which build hydration, just a few drops of it each morning work to deliver a firmer, plumper and revitalised complexion with visibly reduced expression lines and wrinkles. There are a lot of products on the market containing hyaluronic acid, but the molecules of standard hyaluronic acid are too large to penetrate the surface. This means that they're left sitting on the surface and never actually make it into the deeper levels where it's really needed. Instead, this smoothing and calming serum assists your own skin to build a sustainable reservoir of hyaluronic acid from within. Hyaluronic 8 isn't just about moisture. It also contains ingredients which help to protect your skin against modern-day aggressors, such as blue light, pollution, and microparticles. On a freshly cleansed face, apply 1 or 2 drops of serum to the forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, and gently press into the skin. Any remaining serum apply to the neck and décolletage. Hyaluronic 8 brings the plump factor to your skincare arsenal. Find out more at alphah.com.